Hey guys, it's Key here. Today I'm going to be doing a double unboxing of a pair of AirPods as well as a space gray Magic Mouse 2. I got these from the Apple store at Linux in Atlanta, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of them just to show you guys how they work as well as to open them up for me. So let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so I do not have an unboxing knife like everybody else. Unless you guys want me to use a plastic knife that I have in my dorm, I will be using some regular old scissors. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I want to unbox is of course going to be the AirPods, because I feel like that's what most people would be interested in. So these are AirPods. They come with a charging cable. It's a lightning USB, so of course you can use the same thing that you have on your iPhone, the same cord that you have with your iPhone. They are retailed at $160, so let's jump right into it. Oh crap, I don't know how I'm gonna get this open with these big old scissors. Let's see. Oh, this works? Okay. Alright, so here we go. There we go. So these are the AirPods. This is the container. And then you got the Apple logo over here. AirPods right here. Another Apple logo. Everything. At the bottom, of course, it says AirPods with charging case. You have the lightning USB, or whatever you want to call it. Waiting for this to slide out. Okay, come on, let's go. I don't want to, Okay. So of course it comes with, what you get in pretty much every Apple box. The standard instruction manuals and everything come in this little packet. It says delivered by Apple in California. So you have your, your standard AirPods instruction manual, all that good stuff. Compatible with iOS 10 and up, and iOS 12 comes out later today, so definitely we'll be looking forward to that. Then you have, your safety and handling information and this stuff, whatever that is. Yep. Alright, so here is the case for the AirPods. Also, you have the regular standard lightning cable. So we're gonna put that back because I have way too many as is. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna put these back in here because I don't really need them. I'm surprised they didn't put a sticker in here. An Apple sticker? Surprised they didn't put that in there. So these are the AirPods. Let's go ahead and start unwrapping them. Give me just 1 second. Sorry, I had to move my microphone a little bit so I can make sure I can get this sound as best as I possibly can. Okay. See as close as I can get it to this without actually being in the frame. Alright, so here we go. Here, the ASMR sounds of unwrapping any Apple product. Okay, how the heck do you... Okay, there we go. Y'all didn't see that. I'm sorry, y'all did not see that. That did not happen in this video. But yeah, here we go. These are the AirPods. These are of course generation 1. I don't know when Apple's going to release the generation 2 with the LED indicator on the front and the wireless charging. But for now, I'm going to be using generation 1. So these are the AirPods. They of course come with that, that pairing animation. I'll show you soon. Alright, so let's go ahead and get one of my iPhones out. Alright, so I have my spare iPhone 7 Plus with me here. So I'm just going to try and see if I can set that up like here maybe. It's not making anything fall. Okay. Alright, so when you open your AirPods, you will of course get an animation to pop up on the screen. That nice animation right there. Let's do that again. See that? I love the animation for AirPods. It's so clean and it's not something you get every day. So I love to see that 3D animation that's nice and smooth and clean that just kind of lets you know about having AirPods, that you have like this status effect on them. So we're gonna go ahead and click connect. Alright, AirPods are connected. If you take them out, now hold on, wait, before I even take them out, these are the battery indicators. This will always show up every time you open your AirPods case. So right now the battery's at 87% for the AirPods themselves and 72% for the case. I think it does like 5 charges. The case can handle 5 charges, and AirPods last about 5 hours per use. So we're gonna close it again, make sure that goes away, open it up. It's back up instantly. That's that W2 Bluetooth chip, I think, in the Apple devices that they have now. So yeah, very neat chip. Charges very fast. You can see I've only opened it up for a couple of seconds and it went from I think 82 to 86, and it's changing before our eyes. So also I would like to note that when you take them out, it shows you the charging percentage of each AirPod. So it's 86% on the left and 90% on the right side. And of course it will go back. 87%. You see how fast these things charge? They will charge really fast. I'm not sure how fast they charge. I think it's like for 15 minutes it's like 50% or something like that. I don't know. But I know with my time using AirPods, they charge extremely fast. So I'm definitely not complaining about that. So that's my AirPod unboxing. And now we're going to unbox the Magic Mouse Space Gray. So let's go ahead and get into that. Alright, so the Magic Mouse requires a Bluetooth enabled Mac with OS 10, 10.11 or later. It includes a charging cable, and it is a rechargeable mouse. So I mean, I don't know who would really sell a mouse that you can't recharge if it's Bluetooth, but yeah, so they put that on there. This retails for $99 because it is space gray. The regular white one comes, I believe it comes at $79. So yeah. Let's see if this is open up. I'm gonna slice it some more. Trying not to damage the box when I cut this open. I may have to use some nails and get into this, but I prefer not to. Yeah, like I really don't want to damage the box that it comes in. I wish I had like actual, there we go, actual knife or something. So this is gonna be the only messy unboxings you guys will see from me. I'm going to get me some sort of knife this week for when I unbox my iPhone XS Max this weekend. So, you know, definitely just bear with me. These are my first couple of videos. I'm trying my best. Okay. Let's get these ghetto scissors out the way. Alright, so this is the Magic Mouse. Has, of course, the Apple logo, but there's no, like, mouse logo. Okay, that's neat. Alright. So I always hold, you know, Apple products like this to see them slowly, just slowly slide out from underneath. But this one seems like you need to shake it a little bit, and there's no problem with that. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. I like that. I like that a lot. that is really nice. So, this is the Magic Mouse. It's gorgeous. And it's not heavy at all. This is space gray. So, you know, I got it because of who doesn't like, you know, a darker mouse and whatnot. I wish I had a space gray MacBook Air, but I'll get it eventually. So yeah, this is the Magic Mouse. I believe this is the power switch to turn it on. I already know this is going to be a fingerprint magnet. Let's see, let's try the clicks. Oh, yeah, that's nice. That's really, really satisfying. Okay, yeah. There's no clicks on this side, but it does have the Apple logo down here. Let's see if I can focus on it. It does have the Apple logo down here and whatnot, so yeah. Put that right back there. Of course, what would an Apple product be without some instruction labels and whatnot? Okay. Alright, so let's slide these out. See what's in store for us. In this. Okay. Magic Mouse 2, another instruction label. Let's see. To set it up, lightning port. Oh, so wait, this is a lightning. It gets charged by lightning. Did not know that. So it gets charged by lightning cable. Has all the pairing and stuff in here. And you of course have your regulatory information and your warranty information there as well. And wow. Yeah, these are not leaving the house anytime soon. These will not be leaving my dorm. This is gorgeous. So apparently when you get a space gray Magic Mouse, whoops, you didn't see that either. But when you get a space gray Magic Mouse, I love that click. You also get a black lightning cable. I did not know that. That is gorgeous. This, oh, this is amazing. Yeah, I love this. This is crazy. I love it. I'm definitely gonna be using this. Actually, I don't know. I might not use it at all just because I've never seen Apple made USB cable. Like even this part, like the attention to detail here is crazy. Okay, let me move this real quick. So you already seen me, I'm very clumsy. I already dropped my AirPods and my Magic Mouse twice in one video. But like you can see, there's a difference here. There's a contrast, okay? These are the white ones, this is the black one. It's obviously not as long, but it's way better. Way better, and I don't think you can buy these from Apple at all. You cannot buy a black lightning cable from Apple. But look, like even the connectors at the tip, it's black. It's like has a black outline versus a white outline. So that just about wraps it up for my double unboxing video of my first gen AirPods and my Magic Mouse 2. The thing I like most about the AirPods is its ease of use. I do want to correct my statement earlier when I said that AirPods has a W2 chip. In fact, it has a W1 chip, but it works just as good in the end. AirPods pair with whatever device you're using quite easily. To set up, it takes one press of the button, and from there it automatically connects each time you pull them out of the charging case. AirPods have more than 24 hours of battery life with one charging case. It has up to 5 hours of battery life on one charge, and 15 minutes of charging equals around 3 hours of battery life. AirPods can do cool things too, like sensing when they're out of your ear, and they pause when you take them out. They also have built-in Siri, which you can double tap and ask to make calls, turn up or down your music, and ask for directions to the nearest Starbucks. You can also change these preferences in your settings to do more things like skip a song, change the volume, and more. Magic Mouse 2 is a rechargeable mouse, so no need to worry about batteries. It has a multi-touch interface that allows you to perform single tasks and gestures such as swiping between web pages and scrolling through documents. Pairing is simple, just like the AirPods, but instead of one-tap pairing, you simply connect it to your computer via a lightning cable and you're good to go. Pricing for these devices are as follows. The silver Magic Mouse is $79, and the space gray Magic Mouse, which I showed you guys today, is $99. The AirPods are $159. They both come with lightning to USB cables, so you can charge them when needed. That's all for today's unboxing video. Drop a comment if you're thinking about buying one of these products from Apple, and let me know which one you think that you like. Leave a like and subscribe. Until next time, peace.